back again to another video that you guys should be expecting or thinking about. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about worst vendors in Vietnam. Worst vendors in Vietnam. In as much as I've not visited Vietnam, I've not been there, I've not ordered hair directly there and all of that, these vendors, I came through about them via my research. You guys know in my previous video I told you guys how I'm trying to launch my own hairline and how to deal only with raw hair. So in that time, in that process, with that, so I started making research, looking for good vendors to use and all of that. Then I realized that there are so many SCAM vendors in Vietnam, and if you're not careful, you'll be one of their victims. And then another thing I'll tell you guys is, before I go on to list these companies for you, these companies that are allegedly, and before I proceed, this video is allegedly because I do not have a first-hand experience with them. I just came through these companies via my research, reading other people's experience with them and all of that. And like I used to tell you guys that experience is not the best teacher. For me, research is the best teacher. You don't have to throw your money around to see before you check if this company is legit or not. So I don't have a first-hand experience with them. I told you guys I don't have money to throw around. Yeah, so when I'll be ordering my first sample, I'll be ordering my first sample from legit vendor via my research, right? And I'm telling you things to look out for to know a legit vendor in my subsequent videos, so make sure you stay subscribed. So as I was saying, I don't have first-hand experience with these vendors. I just came through them via my research and all of that. And then another thing I want to tell you guys is, there are some vendors I will mention and then you guys will be like, oh, they used to sell good hair. One thing I will tell you people is, that's how I used to tell my Jackpot people on my immigration channel. If you don't know my immigration channel, I'll put in the link in my description box. Jackpot with Vietnamese. That's why in that my channel, there's some information I used to sell. One thing I used to tell people is, there are some people that they will be good, or there are some things that it will be good, but once it comes to the public space, number one, people will misuse it. Number two, the owner of the business too will not pay attention. They'll be paying attention to always quantity. So when I was making my research and I came about these companies, they used to give out very good hairs, very good, like years ago. That time they never popular, people never know them. They used to give out good hair, but mistakenly how they came into the public space when people were selling their content, they came like boom, they started selling rubbish, they started selling nonsense, they started selling this, they started selling that. So this is me just saying, I'm saying so many things because if you have legit hair vendor at this time, at this point in this life, hold on, straight to our heart, you know, easy to find them, you know, easy. Anyways, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Like I said, this video is allegedly. I don't have any evidence. I just came through them when I was making my research and I was looking for vendor for myself, and I was seeing them. And the funny thing is, when I check these pictures, these vendors, their page and all of that, they have very nice hair. You see, this hair na original na or this, you will see comments. That's the funny thing, the all suspicious thing. You see comments gingering them, say, I like your hair, so that way you able to, excuse me, you able to know, say, these people when they whine me. Yeah, so it was so but because I'm used to research, I'm somebody that is so skillful in research. When I see reviews, there are some reviews that when I see it, I know that this review is too good to be true. A normal woman will not type this kind of review. So that was what made me start trailing them. So let me start from the number one company that even as at last year, even before I felt like okay, I was going to open my own brand, I was this close to buy from them. This close. They sent me the quotation, they sent me everything that they were giving it to somebody in Nigeria, an agent via time I was sending money to him. I was this close, but as the research get where I tell you, they know they want me streets now. They want me streets. The first on my list, like I said, allegedly, because I not patronize them, but with my skill set, research skill set, I was going to say, now wait, no. And the funny thing is, I went to their comment section, even to the others, this thing, people were saying, this your hair is nice, this your hair is skinny. But like, something is fishy. And the other funny thing is, this particular vendor, they are using official websites of Vietnam. Yes, official website .vn. So they are so, if you are not so groomed in research, you'll be like, no, this one is using .vm. So they don't feel on your streets. My dear, they run people's streets. Allegedly, like I said, it was from my own thinking. So the first on my list, number one, show, is the name of the company is Vietnam Luxury Hair. Yes, Vietnam Luxury Hair. They are quite popular on Instagram, and you see them, they do sponsored aid. So many Nigerians are following them and all of that. Like they are very common in the Nigerian space. Vietnam Luxury Hair. Allegedly, they are SCAM. So I'll be attaching the logo to this video. So when you see it, you know it's them. Don't throw your money away. Don't waste your money. Don't anything. Don't even try it. It will end up in premium tears. I was this close to patronizing them, but then when I check out this thing, and again there's another another funny thing is, you see, most of these companies, when you even try and check reviews about them, you hardly really see reviews about them. Even the bad reviews, you hardly really see until when you actually know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, or when you buy it. But me, I'm not going to when I buy something before they run me straight up. So that's number one on my list. The next one on my list is K-hair. K-hair is so popular. I think for my research, they said like as at last year, they were still giving good, not last year, last 2 years they were giving good years, or last 2 years, and now they offered one public apology on their website, and they say as at the time that I know, they used to give out good hair, but since like 2 or 3 years ago, they no longer sell good qualities here. Is that the hair we do this? Is it that to tangle? Is it that to shed? Is it that this thing? They no longer give good hair. So if you see K hair, stay away from that vendor. Allegedly, like I said, I don't have personal encounter. The next on my list is green hair. This green hair, person don't even know the official page. You know that most times these Vietnamese hair, they can say, okay, let's say shoko hair. Then you see on that Instagram page, somebody will be bearing maybe fowls shoko hair, another person will be bearing bola shoko hair, kiniko shoko hair. So you don't even know the actual person. So it's like all those workers. That's why I said in my first video that in my business, I don't want to have employees. Like I want to handle my hair business alone, from me to the factory, from factory to my clients directly. I don't want your story say this thing. So green hair, right? If you type it on Instagram, you see they have a lot of pages. So lot of pages, lot of employees working with them. I don't like that type of thing, that type of scenario. So even with a lot of page, even that Vietnam luxury hair too, they seem to like that. They have a lot of pages, lot of this one. I think in Vietnam they have hairla, they have clinic on, they're like 4 or 5 sharp. So green hair too is the same thing. People that bought from them, like I said, allegedly, people that bought from them, they talk say the hair no be original. You know even what time at all. It's just waste of money. So if you see them, no waste your money. So the next on my list is Viet Link. VIET Link is another hair vendor, Vietnam's vendor. This one is very popular, very popular. I think they say they used to give very nice hair before, but when they became popular, they started selling rubbish too. They started selling nonsense too. So if you are seeing Viet Link and you're about to patronize them, my dear, reverse backward. Then another on my list, have I mentioned? This video is almost 10 minutes. So this is like part 1 of the words. I have them lists plenty, because as I was making my research, I was writing it down. As I was making my research, I was writing it down. Like as I was coming about those alleged, I was writing them down. So I was like, I was going to share. So this is just part 1 of the list. Make sure you stay subscribed on this channel. After this one, I'll shoot another video and mention the other parts. I'll list them for you, for you guys to stay away from them. And with my subsequent videos, to anyone that I come across, I'll tell you. And then there are some that I come across that they say they are good vendors as well. I'll make the video and I'll tell you people. And of course, if I come and make a video and be like, these are good vendors, so make sure that you don't really relax on them. Like I said, I'm not selling my main contacts. My main contact is my main contact. But if I see anyone on the public space, maybe somebody shared or somebody left in one this and I saw, I'll come and tell you guys for free. You understand? So make sure you stay subscribed. All of that. I can't wait to have you guys on board. So guys, see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Peace out.